Hello everyone, welcome to Jano TV. First question, where is the smallest bone in your body located? A. Ear, B. Foot, C. Nose. The correct answer is option A. Ear. Next question, which country is known as the land of the rising sun? A. Australia, B. China, C. Japan. The correct answer is option C. Japan. Next question, what is the longest river in the world? A. The Nile, B. The Amazon, C. The Mississippi. The correct answer is option A. The Nile. Next question, who was the first president of the USA? A. Abraham Lincoln, B. George Washington, C. Andrew Johnson. The correct answer is option B. George Washington. Next question, what is the largest organ in the human body? A. Brain, B. Skin, C. Lungs. The correct answer is option B. Skin. Next question, which one of these animals is a herbivore? A. Lion, B. Jackal, C. Cow. The correct answer is option C. Cow. Next question, in ancient times the pharaoh ruled which country? A. England, B. Egypt, C. China. The correct answer is option. Next question, which country put the first man in space? A. Soviet Union, B. USA, C. England. The correct answer is option A. Soviet Union. Next question, where in your body will you found your canines? A. Foot, B. Throat, C. Mouth. The correct answer is option C. Mouth. Next question, how many days are there in a leap year? A. 365, B. 367, C. 366. The correct answer is option C. 366 days. Next question, what is the name of Peter Pan's empty? A. Wendy, B. Captain Hook, C. Tinkerbell. The correct answer is option B. Captain Hook. Next question, which country started the Olympic Games? A. Greece, B. Spain, C. USA. The correct answer is option A. Greece. Next question, from which country does the Statue of Liberty come? A. France, B. Germany, C. England. The correct answer is option A. France. Next question, what do you get when you boil water? A. Ice, B. Dust, C. Stream. The correct answer is option C. Stream. Next question, who did Shrek get married to? A. Cinderella, B. Fiona, C. Barbie. The correct answer is option B. Fiona. Next question, how long does it take the Earth to orbit the Sun? A. 1 month, B. 100 years, C. 1 year. The correct answer is option C. 1 year. Next question, what does a geologist study? A. Rocks, B. Fish, C. Weather. The correct answer is option A. Rocks. Next question, which planet in our solar system has rings? A. Jupiter, B. Saturn, C. Neptune. The correct answer is option B. Saturn. Next question, in what season do leaves fall from the trees? A. Fall, autumn, B. Winter, C. Spring. The correct answer is option A. Fall, autumn. Last question, how many wings does a honeybee have? A. 4, B. 2, C. 0. The correct answer is option A. 4 wings. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.